Welcome to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn, and today we are on an Aviara 32. This is going to be an enormous 32-foot bow rider that's great for our lake use and ocean use. This boat will have plenty of seating in the aft section. You will have the bar stools up top, some stadium-style seats, and then a big swim platform that will allow some more people to hang out. The attention to detail on the Aviara is second to none. In the back walkthrough, they eliminated the issue of fender storage with built-in fender racks, as well as flush-mounted controls for your lighting, as well as your swim platform. As you come in, they have also added a nice trash can here and covers for your gas tanks to give it a nice sleek look on the exterior. You'll notice this teak wood is filled throughout the aft portion, cockpits, and bow. One thing that is notable on this boat is that all of the seats in the back portion and the helm are heated, so this is a good winter use boat as well. As you move into the cockpit, you will have some nice cooler storage up top, a little wet bar with some champagne bottle holders, and then a nice cooler, let's say if you wanted to bring some of your own beverages or food on board. You'll also have some deep storage and a table mount in this back area. We do have the tower speakers by Clips Audio, as well as some speakers inside and subwoofers up on the dash. As you come forward into the helm, it's also well equipped up here. You will have a single SIMRAD displaying all of your navigational functions. On the left, your vertical screen is going to show all of your engine, not engine diagnostics. That's going to show all of your RGB light, stereo controls, and all the functions on the boat. And over here you will have your vessel view. You have some built-in switches here and your engine start stop. You'll notice the shifters are a little bit different on this boat. This is an Elmore powered boat, so you'll have twin 6-liter 380 horsepower motors with an Elmore joystick to make docking a breeze. This is going to be a yacht certified boat, but it will not have a cabin. Instead, you have a very tall, deep storage and head on board. You will have a little sink and grab handle down below. As you move forward, you'll see the robust windshield as well as bow door that will shut off some of that wind. And then again, your teak cockpit finishes, as well as bow radio controls, USB ports on both sides, and plenty of cup holders. This boat is wonderful for entertaining, wonderful for lake use, wonderful for shopping conditions. So if you're interested in an Aviara or any of our other brands, my name is Quinn Segraves out of our Cumming, Georgia location. This boat is located here on Lake Lanier. So give us a call. Let me know if you have questions on this or any of the other boats we have.